Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on Tecno Spark 10. So you have to start with opening Google Play Store and now click on search bar and type in Edge and click search and now click install. Now you can click open. Here you can click skip introduction and here you can customize your home page, but you don't have to do that. You can click not now. Now you can sign in with your account or you can click not now. Here you can make your Microsoft Edge default browser or you can click not now. And now you have to click confirm to confirm your data and privacy settings. And now your Microsoft Edge is set up. And it asks you if you want to import your browsing data from Google, but you can just click not now. So that is for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.